Let's say you wanted to make a circle with a given length for your radius. Okay, so if I want my radius to be this segment here, I'm going to make a new point for my circle somewhere else. I'm going to turn that into a ray. That ray is longer than the segment. Okay, so now I'm going to put my golden circle on the segment there. I am going to measure the length of this radius. So I'm going to figure out which hole my pencil needs to be in on the compass so I can make an arc through that point. From there, I'm going to put my golden circle back on this ray, and I'm going to make that same arc and continue it around. The last thing that you would have to do is mark those segments congruent. Okay, another tricky construction would be to copy an angle. So let's say I have this angle here. Alright, and I want to make a new angle with that exact same measurement. So first thing I need to do is make a ray. Alright, let's actually spin this around that way. Okay, let's try this angle here. Alright, so I will make an arc. So I'm putting my golden circle on the vertex of the original angle. I'm making an arc that touches both sides. This arc does not have to go through the arrows at all, it just has to touch both sides of the angle. So that arc gets constructed again. So now I'm putting my golden circle here. I'm making that same arc. On the original segment, where that arc crossed the angle, that gives you 2 new points. On your new angle, you just have 1 point. So you need to go back to the original angle. You're going to put your golden circle here. You are going to make an arc through your other point. Okay, so whatever that distance was, whichever hole your pencil was in on the compass, you need to make that same arc. So here's my golden circle now. I'm making that same arc. That tells me where to put this new point. So now where I know where that point goes, I can connect that point back to the vertex. I can draw in an arrow. We should know our sides of angles are rays. And lastly, I would have to mark that these 2 angles were congruent.